Hello, this is another training video for using Quality Center. This video will demonstrate how to upload tests from Microsoft Excel into your Quality Center project. Before I start, I'd like to point out there are at least 3 actions that must be taken before you can execute this. One of those is the user performing this operation needs to have adequate permissions in the Quality Center project, so you have to have authority to add tests and folders to your Quality Center project. The next thing is that tests have to be created in Microsoft Excel that are adequate, correct to load into Quality Center. And third, as you notice in this example, we see the add-ins tab exists in Excel. So the add-ins for Excel have already been loaded, installed on this machine. That would be covered in a separate training video as far as how to install that application. So in this example, we can see a fairly simple 3-step test. In order to perform the upload, we'll want to highlight only those lines or those tests that we want to upload into Quality Center. Then selecting the Add-ins tab across the top, you see add-ins and export to HP ALM. And a distinct point to make at this point is that we're not logging into Quality Center, selecting the tests and pulling them in. We're using Excel to upload them to the database in Quality Center. So at this point, specifying the URL that our Quality Center server runs on, and then entering your user ID and password, logging into the project, selecting the project you wish to load your tests into, and then specifying what it is you're uploading. And for this example, we're doing tests. And then for the sake of this example, we'll create a new data map. So this is a demonstration, and at this point you'll notice there are several fields that are listed in red as mandatory. So subject applies to the folder that we want to load these tests into in Quality Center, and that is found, as we see, in column A. And another mandatory field is the test name, and we see that's listed in column B. And then a description for the test you see in column C. And then working our way down the list, we see we've also got step name, otherwise known as step number. That's in column D. The step action, that's a description of the design step. We see that is in column E. Expected result we find in column F. And the test type we included in column G. And for all of our manual tests, that is capital M-A-N-U-A-L. The designer matches up with the user ID on the Quality Center project. It's found in column H. And then as I click on Export to Quality Center, you then see it's connecting to the database on the backside, successfully exported to HP ALM. We then finish the export operation, and as we take a look at Quality Center to the destination project, as I do a refresh in the test plan area, we now see there's a folder called Calculator. Under that folder, we see there is a new test called Simple Multiply, and it has today's date as the creation date. There's the description. We did not add anything in comments. That's a separate field that's available. We can then see the design steps as planned from our Excel spreadsheet now exists in Quality Center as a test that can be scheduled. If there's any questions, feel free to contact me or anyone on the quality team here at ITD. Thank you, and have a good day.